It's 2025 and streaming is everywhere. On your phone, your TV, your laptop, and even on the go. Whether you're catching up on the latest Marvel series, watching a new Pixar movie, or just relaxing with your favorite sitcom, streaming has become a part of daily life for millions around the world. It's how we connect, unwind, and stay entertained no matter where we are. Except sometimes in the UAE. Here, things are a little different. Despite the country's modern skyline and tech-savvy population, there are invisible barriers that keep you from joining the global streaming party. You try to access Disney+, but instead of the magical world of movies and shows, you're greeted with a cold, frustrating message. Not available in your region. It's like being locked out of a party everyone else is enjoying. Why does this happen? It's all about geo-restrictions. Digital borders that streaming companies put in place to control who can watch, what, and where. These aren't physical walls, but they're just as real when you're trying to watch your favorite show. These restrictions exist because of licensing deals, complex agreements between streaming services and content owners. Every movie, every show, and every sporting event is tied up in contracts that decide where it can be shown. Disney, for example, sells the rights to its content to different companies in different regions. In some countries, another network or streaming service might have exclusive rights, so Disney Plus can't legally show those titles there. Your location is detected by your IP address, a unique number that tells websites where you are in the world. If you're in the UAE, Disney Plus automatically blocks you, no matter how much you want to watch. It's incredibly frustrating, especially when you're ready to pay, subscribe, and join the global conversation about the latest releases. You're left out, simply because of where you live. But don't lose hope, this isn't the end of the story. Technology has a way of breaking down barriers, and there are tools designed to help you get around these digital walls. There's a powerful tool that can help you bypass these restrictions and unlock Disney Plus, no matter where you are. It's simple, effective, and used by millions worldwide. Let's talk about the magic of a VPN, a virtual private network. With a VPN, you can change your virtual location, making it look like you're browsing from another country. Suddenly, those digital borders disappear. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in and discover how you can finally access the content you love, no matter where you are in the world. A VPN, virtual private network, lets you change your digital location. It creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic, hiding your real IP address. You choose a server in another country, say the US, and your internet traffic appears to come from there. Disney Plus sees a US IP address and gives you full access, as if you're in America. This is the secret to bypassing geo-blocks. VPNs also protect your privacy by encrypting your data. You can use this trick for other streaming services, too. It's your all-access pass to a global internet. With a VPN, you control your digital location. Let's see why a paid VPN is the best choice. Ready to stream without borders? Free VPNs sound tempting, but they come with big drawbacks. They're slow, unreliable, and often have strict data limits. Bad news for streaming. Many free VPNs log your data and sell it to advertisers, risking your privacy. Some even contain malware. Paid VPNs offer fast speeds, unlimited bandwidth, and strong privacy policies. For a few dollars a month, you get smooth, secure streaming and peace of mind. Don't risk your data or your Disney Plus experience. Choose a reputable paid VPN. Here's how to get started. Signing up for a VPN is quick and easy. Pick a trusted provider with lots of US servers and proven streaming support. NordVPN and Surfshark are great options. Choose a plan that fits your budget. Longer plans usually save you money. Create your account with a secure password and pay, using your preferred method. Once you're signed up, download the VPN app for your devices. Install it on everything you'll use for streaming. You're almost ready to unlock Disney Plus. Let's walk through the final steps. The magic is just a click away. If you've ever tried to watch Disney Plus from outside the US, you know how frustrating those region blocks can be. But don't worry, getting access is easier than you might think. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to unlock Disney Plus using a VPN, so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies no matter where you are in the world. First, you'll need to install a reliable VPN app on your device. Choose a VPN that's known for streaming, then download and open the app. Once it's installed, log in with your account details. If you don't have an account yet, most VPNs offer a quick sign-up process. Just follow the prompts. Next, it's time to connect to a US server. Most VPN apps make this super simple. Just find the list of available countries and click on United States. This step is crucial, as it tricks Disney Plus into thinking you're browsing from within the US. Once you're connected, your device will be assigned a US IP address. This is what allows you to bypass those annoying geo restrictions and access the full Disney Plus library. For the best results, open your browser in incognito or private mode. This helps prevent any old cookies or cached data from interfering with your access. Then, head over to the official Disney Plus website. You should now see the US version of the Disney Plus homepage. No more frustrating region error messages. If you still see a block, try clearing your browser's cache or switching to a different US server in your VPN app. Now, simply sign up for a new account or log in with your existing Disney Plus credentials. The process is exactly the same as if you were in the US. Remember to keep your VPN connected the entire time you're streaming. If you disconnect, Disney Plus will detect your real location and block access again. If you accidentally lose connection or switch off your VPN, you'll see that familiar error message pop up. Just reconnect to the US server and refresh the page to get back in. Think of your VPN as your digital key to unlocking Disney Plus. It's your ticket to a world of entertainment, no matter where you're located. With these steps, you can enjoy the entire Disney Plus library from anywhere in the world. Gather your friends or family, grab some snacks, and get ready for a movie night. No borders, no limits. And the best part? You can watch on all your favorite devices, laptop, tablet, phone, or even your smart TV. Just repeat these steps on each device you want to use. Let's make sure every screen in your home is covered, so everyone can enjoy Disney Plus together. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. VPNs are incredibly versatile and can be used on almost any device you have at home, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, smart TV, laptop, or even a streaming stick. No matter what screen you prefer, there's a way to unlock Disney Plus and other US streaming services. Let's break down exactly how you can set up your devices for seamless streaming, no matter where you are. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, the first step is to change your region to the United States in your Apple ID settings. This is important because the US App Store has apps that might not be available in your country, including Disney Plus. Just head to your settings, tap on your Apple ID, and update your region to the US. You may need to sign out and back in, or even create a new Apple ID if you want to keep your original account unchanged. For Android users, the process is a bit different. You'll want to create a new Google account and set the region to the United States. This lets you access the US version of the Google Play Store, where you can find and download Disney Plus and other region-locked apps. It's a quick process. Just sign up for a new account, set the country to the US, and you're good to go. Once your device is set to the US, open your VPN app and connect to a US server. This step is crucial because it makes your device appear as if it's physically located in the United States. Now, when you open the App Store or Google Play Store, you'll be able to download the Disney Plus app without any restrictions. After installing, just log in and start streaming. For those with smart TVs or Fire Sticks, the process is just as straightforward. Download and install the VPN app directly onto your TV or streaming device. Connect to a US server, then head to your device's App Store and download Disney Plus. If your TV doesn't support VPN apps, don't worry, there are still options. Some devices like certain smart TVs or game consoles don't allow you to install VPN apps directly. In that case, you can set up the VPN on your Wi-Fi router. This way, every device connected to your home network will automatically use the VPN connection, giving them all a US IP address. It's a one-time setup that covers everything in your house. With the VPN running on your router, your phones, tablets, laptops, and even your smart fridge will all appear to be in the US. This is perfect for families or anyone with lots of gadgets, since you only need to set it up once for the whole network. Another handy option is to create a VPN-protected Wi-Fi hotspot from your computer. Just connect your laptop to the VPN, then share its internet connection as a hotspot. Any device you connect to this hotspot will benefit from the VPN, making it a great solution for travel or temporary setups. Simply connect your TV, streaming stick, or any other device to this new hotspot, and you'll have instant access to Disney Plus and other US-only content, no matter where you are in the world. With these methods, you can enjoy Disney Plus on any screen in your home, whether you're watching on your phone in bed, your tablet in the kitchen, or your big screen TV in the living room. Everyone can stream their favorite shows at the same time, on their device of choice. No device gets left behind. Every gadget, big or small, can join in the fun and access the full Disney Plus library, just like you're in the US. Now that your devices are ready, let's move on to the final step: signing up for Disney Plus from the UAE. The last hurdle is payment, since Disney Plus requires a US-based payment method. Don't worry, we'll show you how to get around the US payment requirement and finish your setup, so you can start streaming in minutes. You're on the US Disney Plus site but need a US payment method. The easiest solution: use US App Store or Google Play gift cards. Buy a digital gift card from a trusted retailer while your VPN is connected. Add the credit to your US-based Apple or Google account. Subscribe to Disney Plus through the app, paying with your gift card balance. No US credit card needed, just simple, secure access. Virtual US credit cards are another option, but gift cards are easiest. Once paid, your Disney Plus account is active. Log in on any device, with VPN on, and start streaming. You now have the full Disney Plus library at your fingertips. Let's cover a few quick troubleshooting tips. If Disney Plus blocks you or shows an error, don't worry. First, switch to a different US server in your VPN app. This usually fixes the problem. If not, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try again. Use incognito mode to avoid old location data interfering. Make sure your VPN app is up to date for the best performance. Still stuck? Contact your VPN's customer support. They're there to help. These quick fixes solve most streaming issues. With a little troubleshooting, you'll be back to watching in no time. Now, let's wrap up with some final tips for safe, smart streaming. You're almost ready for endless entertainment. Here's how to make the most of your new access. You're now set to enjoy Disney Plus in the UAE, securely and easily. A paid VPN gives you fast, private, and reliable streaming. Remember, free VPNs can risk your privacy and ruin your experience. Use gift cards for payment, and keep your VPN connected while streaming. If you hit a snag, just switch servers or clear your cache. Now, dive into Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and more. No limits, no waiting. The magic of Disney is yours, wherever you are. Happy streaming.